an attorney representing Sean Diddy Combs in the ongoing sex trafficking case recently announced that he is stepping down from the case. Anthony Rico, who had been representing Combs since September, made a statement saying that while he had provided the expected high level of legal representation, he could no longer effectively serve as counsel for Combs. Rico did not offer a specific explanation for his departure but assured that it would not impact Combs' upcoming federal trial, which is set for May 5. Although Combs still has 5 other attorneys on his team, the timing of this development has raised many questions. The decision of an attorney to withdraw from a case, especially one as high-profile as this, is concerning. There could be many reasons for an attorney to step down from a case, and we should be open to the idea that not all reasons are negative. However, in high-profile cases, an attorney's withdrawal often draws attention for a reason. When you represent a client like Combs, with significant public recognition and notoriety, you stand to benefit from a successful outcome. If Combs were to be acquitted of charges such as sex trafficking and racketeering, those involved in his defense would gain considerable visibility. They would be praised for their successful defense, which would be a major boost to their career. The media would flock to interview them, and their professional reputation would likely grow. This is why an attorney backing out is problematic. It signals potential issues within the case or the attorney-client relationship. It's rare for attorneys to leave a case that could provide such professional advantages, unless something is not working behind the scenes. The attorney's role in securing a favorable outcome for such a high-profile client is crucial, and stepping away creates questions about what might have caused the withdrawal. There are several reasons why an attorney might leave a case. One reason could be disagreements about the case's strategy or direction. If the attorney feels that their client is not following their legal advice or that the defense strategy is fundamentally flawed, they may choose to step away. Another possibility is a breakdown in the relationship between the attorney and client. If an attorney believes their client is being dishonest or withholding key information, it could make continuing representation difficult. In some cases, an attorney might also choose to step down if they believe their client is likely to lose the case, fearing the negative impact that a high-profile loss could have on their reputation. In this situation, the timing of Rico's decision is particularly troubling. With more than 2 months until the trial, it raises concerns about how the departure of such an important member of Combs' legal team will affect the preparation for the trial. While Combs still has 5 other attorneys on his team, the optics of the situation are concerning. It's not difficult to imagine that the news of an attorney leaving a high-profile case will filter through the public and potentially reach jurors before the trial even begins. This can lead to preconceived notions about the case, and it might affect the fairness of jury selection. Additionally, in high-profile cases like this one, it's difficult to find jurors who haven't been exposed to public information about the case. With the media circus surrounding Combs' past, including the viral video of him allegedly beating his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, this case has already garnered significant public attention. Now, with an attorney leaving the case, the situation becomes even more complicated, and it may create even more bias in potential jurors. It's important to note that, despite the speculation surrounding this situation, we cannot assume guilt or innocence at this point. I have made it a point to bring in legal analysts and reporters to provide balanced perspectives and ensure that no assumptions are made. We must be responsible in how we discuss the case, without jumping to conclusions. However, there is no denying that an attorney withdrawing from a high-profile case, particularly so close to the trial date, is not a good look. The trial is still several months away, and we should refrain from making definitive judgments on the outcome. But the fact that one of Combs' attorneys has stepped away raises questions that need to be addressed. While Combs may still have a strong legal team in place, the optics of an attorney backing out are undeniably problematic. It creates doubt and adds another layer of complexity to an already high-stakes legal battle.